I'm going to get through here.
What am I looking at the camera or?
Kind of. As I'm doing like this, I just want to I want to pose it so it looks like. Don't cut those, but I just want to pose it so. Just have these set up how I work. I just want you to be like, you know, hold the knife and like take like direction from me, like you're looking at me like
my boss?
Like I'm telling you what to do for the next scene or something, and you're like, okay, or whatever.
Okay.
So it just kind of looks like we're like, okay, so you know.
Yeah. So yeah, you're just telling me what to do.
Yeah, so.
Is this a carrot or a chode? Because it looks like a chode. Okay, that's what I thought.
So I decided to go through some old folders of videos that I never ended up editing. And that particular clip you just saw was probably around 7 years ago, John and I in the kitchen, behind the scenes. And I thought it might be fun to go through some of these old videos and post them as a final video for YouTube and just kind of react to some of them. So I hope you guys like it and enjoy.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Sprinkle of nutritional use. Oops, that's more than a sprinkle.
Hey guys, I'm Chris.
And I'm John.
And we are the Vegan Zombie on YouTube. And then...
It's the backyard, April 5th, 2011. Getting ready for work and watching this guy. Watching this guy right here. Yeah, you. You. This is me. Hi.
So John, what are you making right now in the kitchen?
I am making some strawberry raw vegan cheesecake.
You got stuff all over your beer, it's funny.
Is it strawberry?
It's like all kinds of, yeah.
I believe that beer, you should get all the flavors into your beer so you can taste it throughout the day.
Is this basically the same recipe that we did on the video?
Yeah.
Cool.
Toddy, do you want a pet? You want a pet? You want a pet? Yeah.
Oh, good girl.
That is a...
So that's my friend Cody's cat, Toddy. And if you ask him if he wants a pet, he'll do that with his paw. And if he just wants you to pet him, he'll come up to you and he'll do that. And I thought that was interesting because I've never seen that before.
Oh wait, I don't want to actually be in it, I just want to be photobombing.
Oh, you want a photobomb? Okay.
Okay, this is Super 1080 on 48 frames per second. So this is how Peter Jackson filmed The Hobbit. Let's see if it looks like The Hobbit. Oh, there's an orc.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's Indy doing?
Okay, so today I'm doing some recipe testing with John. So I'm just getting my stuff together. Got Indy with me, and we're gonna get in the car and we're gonna head over there.
Pasta, tofu, sun-dried tomato, and basil filling.
So we're in the kitchen and we have some So Delicious festive pumpkin spice pop. Indy's playing with his ball over there. John, tell us how this is.
Okay, so every time we get a product that we have to try, Chris always makes me stand here and stare at it for 2 minutes while he takes a good picture of it. And I already bit into it, and it's actually really good. Coconut oil, you know.
So that was Veg Fest in New York City 2014 or 2015, and that's Duncan from So You're Dating a Vegan. And in case you're wondering what they're talking about, here you go.
From one YouTuber to another, you got any tips for getting those views?
Try to be funny, try to be concise, and try to give information that is relevant to what we're doing.
So basically, don't be boring.
Why can't I see you?
I can't lens cap someone. You're like, why can't I see you?
Ah, Snoop? What are you doing? Oh, crisps on the ceiling.
Oh my god! Hey guys, this is what it's like when you have to vlog in the zombie apocalypse. You can't stay in one place for too long. And always remember, cover your tracks and never look back. And the one thing about Zombieland that is completely accurate, you gotta have good cardio. And the last tip of the day is sometimes you're gonna run out of food and you're gonna find yourself in a situation where you're gonna have to forage whatever's around you. Downstairs right now. Totally just doing my thing. Hi, Andy. What are you doing? Seats. And plots. Okay, roll over. All the way. Good boy. How about you get me running and you're like kind of like right on me, and then like I'll stop at the water and it'll keep going and like kind of go away from me. Hey, can we go over the pavilion? What do you want? Hey guys, I got my Top Gun aviators, and they were only like $1, so why not? All right.
Jabba, free us or die.
I just made this ginger, carrot, lemon juice, and it's really good. Did you just make a weird face when I said that? Oh.
No, that sounds good actually.
Oh.
Oh, that's good. I have not had a peanut butter cup in over a week, you guys. Let's speak. You're being immature. Grow up.
Maybe we should move over this way a little bit. We got the blend.
Blend tech is not. Yeah, it is okay.
Yeah, we'll just do it again, the same thing. So it looks like somebody's taking a picture of me videotaping you doing vegan zombie.
Picture of a picture of a picture of a picture.
Inception, video inception. Okay, so you can't see it now, so I'm just guessing.
Yeah, we're pointing it. All right, that was fun.
Okay, so we probably got a good picture out of that too. Okay, so, and then the rice.
Huh? What was that noise?
What was it? I am heading to the event center that we are going to do our dinner party. Comb your hair. Oh, Brussels sprouts, got it.
Chopping up some Brussels sprouts, getting ready to roast these puppies up.
All the way from the Red Fern?
Hey.
Awesome. What are you working on? Buffalo bites?
Fried cauliflower.
And we know what this is.
Chris, are you gonna film all night? Or
Yep.
Are you gonna...
By the way, that was an inside joke. I did film all night, but I also cooked food. But you don't see me doing that.
Huh? Anything you need to grab?
What do you got there?
This is the sage butter for the ravioli.
What's up, guys?
Washing glasses, that's what's up.
We last saw you on the cruise, and now you're up here in Syracuse.
Oh yeah, loving it.
Oh yeah, those 3 of those per person or 2?
Yeah, this is the ravioli course for the gluten people?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I have enough, I think, for 3, but we could play it 2 just to be safe. We'll glaze them and finish them in the oven. Do you need a sheet tray? Because I'll go up to your ravioli right now. Alright.
Alright, there's 2 sauces that marinated.
Yeah, this is ravioli and
You happy with those?
I think they came out really good.
Yeah, me too.
Mountain of beef.
Beef. And it's Meg's birthday.
See how they came out.
I didn't count how many bowls there were. I think there's extra though, so I'm gonna do all the like.
Yeah, I think there's probably extra.
Then tie. So the first course is being served right now, and it's the soup course. It's a roasted butternut squash bisque with a cashew cream topping and a roasted albino pepper coulis, and it's garnished with chives. And it's gluten-free, and it's good, I think.
What do you think?
I think they look good, yeah. That's good.
It's about as gourmet as I get. It tastes good,
Okay,
so.
let's just make this trash.
Dessert. She made it. We kidnapped her a couple years ago, and we made her make cupcakes on our show. Are you ready?
Viral.
Hi, Sarah. The milkshake.
So this is the Temptation ice cream I was talking about in my recent live streams. It's made by Chicago Vegan Foods, who make Dandies marshmallows, and this is what they use for their milkshakes.
These are apple cider milkshakes. We're using the French Vanilla Temptations ice cream from Chicago Soy Dairy. And we're using our own homemade mulled apple cider. That's it, 2 ingredients.
We are on what, the 4th one?
Background sound here gets pretty loud, so I'm going to voice over this. These are the ravioli that John woke up at like 5 in the morning to make way too many, and they were delicious, and we do have a video for these if you guys are ever interested.
Some basil cutting up here. It smells good all up in this area.
Don't film this.
Why? Oh, they're burnt?
They got the top layer.
We don't see any of that. Censored.
The top layer.
That's all right. I burned the walnuts earlier, so you gotta go catch up to John.
Hello again. I hope you guys like the food so far. We got one more course for you. We're going to be serving a milkshake. It's going to be a mulled apple cider milkshake. Alongside that, my friend Sarah from Sugar Moms, who's a little shy, she didn't want to come out here, so she's making me tell you guys. Anyway, dessert's going to be a spiced pear cake with maple buttercream and a chocolate ganache with some candied pears on top. Make sure you let your server know if you're gluten-free, because she made both gluten-free and gluten-full options. So just make sure you tell them which one you want. Okay, enjoy, guys. Thank you.
Do you want me to eat this?
Do it. That's a wrap. This is where we filmed a video with, he was a zombie, that dude right there was, he was our zombie in our corn dog and our peanut butter cookie.
Corey, man, thank you so much for helping. Hey, thank you.
Exactly.
Well, guys, have fun and watch out for zombies. See you guys in the next vlog.